Wait and see.
The AI video-prompt cookbook cranks out a 10-second AI video on a single RTX 4090 without draining an API budget. No cloud credits, no hidden throttles, just raw prompt power. Open source recipes replace the pricey proprietary calls you've been paying for. Let's see how the repo stacks up against the big tech APIs. The benchmark suite runs each recipe 3 times on the same RTX 4090, records frame rate, visual fidelity, and total compute cost. In our runs, the cinematic fade recipe hit 30 FPS output, matching the default quality of the leading proprietary model, while the cost per clip stayed under a quarter of the API charge. A developer can pull the repo, install the lightweight Python wrapper, and fire a prompt with a single command. Here's the exact command line. The script downloads the model weights, compiles the prompt into the model's token format, and streams the frames directly to an MP4 container. Community contributors have added 12 new style blocks in the last month, each tweaking the diffusion scheduler to reduce flicker and improve color depth. Because the repo is version controlled, you can pin a specific command and reproduce the exact same video across machines. Full step-by-step guide with code, dependency list, and cost calculator is in the description. Try for yourself, fork the cookbook, and let the community iterate on your ideas. Subscribe for more deep dives, and hit the next video to see how to chain multiple recipes into a seamless storyboard.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.